Hello everybody, SF Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to change Play Store password or how to change Google Play Store password. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, just open your Gmail app. So if automatically install your phone, so if didn't install your phone, just go to the Play Store and download the Gmail app. So after that, opening the Gmail app, just click to the profile button in the top right side. After that, just click to the manage your Google account options. After that, just scroll and click to the security options, and then you will see options that password, so click on that. After that, in this page, just enter your old password, just put your old password and then click to the next options. After that, just put your new password in two box and click to the next option, and then your password will be changed on same as Gmail and Google Play Store. So that's the process how you can change Play Store password. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.